So today we are going to talk about standardizations and grading. So unit 3 in standardization. So what is the meaning of standardization? Standardizations, when we are seeing the product, when the consumer sees the product, they can fix about it, what is inside that, when they've been seeing the package and what are the ingredients they have used it. So this is a fixed, certain norms will be used for the product. For example, when we are seeing the chocolates, so we know it's a brown chocolates or white chocolates. So what is it? From the name of the product name, or otherwise we can see it through their name or the identification of the cover. So we can give that identification, what is inside that, the product, what is that, what is that, what is that. So this is a standardization of the process of fixing the each and every product. What is the traditionals? Some may have the doubts. The characteristics of the product may determine by giving the standard. And otherwise we can say the product can be divided into various groups. For examples, we can say, so the package, the packing, or when we are seeing the amount, for example, 100 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams, this can be standardized. This will be given by this product. So in this product, we can get 100-gram packet. Also, we can get 200 and 500. In some other products, we may not identify. Only there's a 500 and 1 kg will be available. So these can be identified, and this can be made it through this standardization. The standardizations gives a size, color, and form, and weight and shape of the quality. It's easy to identify that product. It gives us a model of the product. What is that model? It's a comparisons. When there are two packets, on yellow, one and pink, we can identify yellow packet is this company, belongs to this company, and pink packet belongs to this company. So easily we can identify the model of the products. So what is inside that? The same product inside. For example, we can have any other grocery items, but in a different company they are using it. It's placed in the same places with the identifications of their name, with the identification of the color of the product, with the identification of the weight of the shape of the product. We can easily identify this belongs to this company and this belongs to this company. Mostly we can compare it with atta. In chapati atta, we can have it either we can Ashirvad, P.L.Savithree, the cover, the package P.L.Savithree cover may be in a blue color, Ashirvad in an orange and red color. So easily we can identify this company belongs to, this is an atta packet, this is an atta packet. So we can easily identify. This is called standardizations of the product. The term standardization used as a broader sense. So in several, we can already have given us some examples about the chocolates and about the auto. So the several grades and classes can be easily identified by giving this standardization. So according to the national commissions, and agriculture product also have this standardization. This can be limited the grades and the manufacturing goods, and it confers a class to divide the product into different level. So in agriculture products, they can have a first quality, second quality, and third quality. So this can be identified and standardized for storage, and it can be identified by the identifiers. So this standardization is necessary for each and every product, not only in groceries, but also in each and every level of product we can have it. So the standardized basic needs of the standardization is quality, quantity, weight, and measures. Basis of the size and shapes will be identified. Colors such as apples, likewise. On the basis of quantity such as food grains and cottons. So the basis of the standardized can be the factors. These are the factors: quality, size, weight, measures, shapes, colors can be identified. Simply, suggestions for making grading and the standardization is very popular. For grading and standardization to cover all type of agriculture commodities, and also trading in the agriculture commodities at the all levels. The samples of graded products should be exhibited at the market for the benefit of the traders as well as for the consumers. So the samples will be graded there, and we can identify which is which products. We can have so many types of rice products, so many grains will be there. So we can easily identify which is that, which is that, which is that. So this will be gives standardizations of that product. So nowadays, after it gives a create awareness about the using of AGMARK to their products. After they have been ISI, ISOs, and so many things began. The government have been developed according to their product needs and wants. This will highlight the product of the producers. There are so many types of standards: quality standards, standard of size and measurements. Quality standards will be there, quantity standards and quality standards. Then standardizations and grading will predetermine the specifications. Then uniformity will be there. Inspections and testing will be evaluation for the consumer perspectives. So it's reduce the need of the inspections that a customer can, you may not be have that whether it is a good or not. So all the inspections will be made and then it comes to the market. So this standardizations grading always follow the process of classifications of the products and differentiating their groups of the products and done the products in a predetermined specifically for the agriculture product. So then what are the advantages? It's a uniformity in quality, differential pricing, increased in demand, eliminations of risk, expanding the market, availability of a finance, no need for inspection. This gives a standardization. Then grading. What is the difference between standardizations and grading? Grading is categorizing the product in different lots. Each contains similar characters. The characters could be one or more of the following type. Size, maybe big, medium, small, long, short, round. It belongs to the product. Then flavor. We can take a dairy milk. Dairy milk be having a different flavors. We are having a Oreo, almond, orange, like that. So it gives a flavor. Then ripeness, raw product, semi-rip or rip in case of fruits, oil seeds, pulses and cereals. Then length of the staples in case of cotton and jute. Locations oriented like Goa, Alfonso, like chilies will be Baidagi chilies. Likewise, the name of the product will be identified, Nagpur orange, like that. The Nasi grapes having a specific taste and shapes, colors gives the grading also. So these are some examples: ISI mark, FPO, FASI, then AGMARK, then now it's newly ECO mark, then BSI mark, BIS mark for gold, then eco-friendly, then organic products, now it will be identified as an eco mark. So now we move on to the purpose of grading. Purpose of grading to give the sales and purchase activity to protect the consumers. It enables to works on the basis of fixing prices. So prefixing the price and also for the quality. So advantages of the grading is production in a large scale, increases sales and helpful in financial management. It makes a price more reasonable. Specifications of storage and also loans can be given based on the store's goods as per the grade. Based on the grades, quality and quantity, it is easy to estimate the value of the loan against stocks. So these are some examples for ISI mark. Then FASI, the food products will be FASI, then FPO, then AGMARK, BIS, then AGMARK products for the whole spices, vegetable oils, pulses, milk products, wheat products, likewise it's ozone. Then coming to the next topic is finance and marketing. Finance is needed in all vital area in the marketing to promote their sales and for their advertising and for the introducing a new product and for the existing product has to be satisfied to the customers and also for the physical distributions of the goods. So the finance is the basic needs of the each and every business. So there's a classification of finance. The classification of finance market has been organized market, unorganized markets. Unorganized markets, only one, money lenders, that's it, bankers, like that. Then organized markets have that capital market and money market. In capital market in the sense of industrial, government and long-term market. In coming to that industrial market, there are primary and secondary market will be there. Long-term market have been classified into three: term loan market, market financial guarantee, and market for mortgage. Then money market can be divided into a 3 combos, that is call money market, commercial bills, treasury bills, short-term loan market. So then coming to the market risk, there are so many risks to management of the investment information, setting a trading limits, resource allocations, traders and management performance measurements, regulatory capital requirements. So these are the market risks, always have that same reason. Every time when they are measuring the risk of the managed finance, they'll face all these things. Regulatory of the capital requirements is very a basic one, and management informations cannot be get it in a correct way. The risk, how to identify the risk management. Identify and analyze, examine the risk management techniques, select the risk management techniques, implement the techniques, and monitor the results. So how to avoid the risk management? First, to identify it and to examine it and select the risk and implement the techniques and monitor the results. So the types of risk in economical risk, social risk, technological risk, natural risk, and political risk. So these risks can be faced by the each and every managements. Economically, they face so many problems, capital investments like that. Social means inside and outside also. Technologically, how we have to improve our productions and how we have to improvise their products. The natural calamities will be happens. That is also a risk. Then political government changes, the political rules and regulations can also be changes. These are the types of risk. So with this, I'll finish it and we move on to the next